National La Souterraine against 14,000 young birds. A very difficult race, 1155 meter, 563 kilometer distance. Himself was number 6 national ace pigeon, KVB, went middle distance young birds in 2020. He's the son of Joff. Joff is the super breeder from Hembots, Kober and Kato, Hembots Nat. Joff is also father of Olympic Manuela, probably the best hen I had in the recent years. Himself 6 national ace pigeon KVB. This is the mother of first national La Souterraine against 14,000 young birds. A very difficult race. Speed of 1155 meters per minute. Bred by Hembots, Kober and Kato, raced by Abbeel of Paesschen. This hen is the daughter of New National La. New National La paired to a daughter of Abbeel. Abbeel also first provincial ass pigeon, winning 3 times first provincial. This hen is a super breeding hen, so mother of first national La Souterraine, mother of first Limoges, second interprovincial Limoges and 19th national Limoges. Also mother of another winner on the short middle distance race. Super breeder, National La, father of first national Limoges, grandfather of first national La Souterraine. Two 135,721. New National one of the best breeders in my loft this moment. He's father of first national Limoges, 10,000 pigeons, and grandfather of first national La Souterraine this weekend against 14,200 young birds. He's a super cock with very good balance, very good muscles, fantastic good wing. He's also father of 6 Olympic ace long distance. One of the best breeders I have. 233877014. He's a very much inbreed to the world famous National La. National La from Karel Schellens. National La won first national Bourges, first provincial Orleans, and another 3 first prizes on the middle distance races. So the best